Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal has been served a legal notice by Delhi BJP leaders for accusing them of horse trading. Kejriwal, remember, had alleged that the BJP had offered 20 crore rupees to Congress MLAs to jump ship. Aditya Rajkol is breaking this information for us. Yes, Aditya.
Well, absolutely, the political environment in Delhi really heating up, and the big breaking news coming in at this hour is that a senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, in fact an MLA from Rajendra Nagar, RP Singh, has served a legal notice to Arvind Kejriwal, the chief of the Aam Aadmi Party, who has of course been tweeting since morning against the Lieutenant Governor for his role in really inviting Bharatiya Janata Party to form a government. Of course, the LG office has not confirmed whether this would really happen, but certainly at this moment, Delhi BJP not taking it any way in a small measure. They will certainly raise this issue, and at this moment, we have got confirmation that RP Singh on the allegation of 20 crore being paid to AAP MLAs, or perhaps some kind of a horse trading between the Congress MLAs. Remember, there was speculation and also sources informing Times Now that there is a block of 6 Congress MLAs that have expressed their desire to support the Bharatiya Janata Party if they stake claim to form the government. Now, the big question is whether the Bharatiya Janata Party will really stake the claim, whether they will bite the bullet and form the government, because they are waiting for a green signal from the RSS and also waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to return from the big summit of Brazil. But certainly the big development at this hour is that Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party chief, who had gone all guns blazing against the Bharatiya Janata Party for horse trading, has been served a legal notice. And in case there is no satisfactory response from their end, from Aam Aadmi Party's end, then certainly they will approach court with a defamation notice.
All right, Aditya, thanks very much for joining in. So the BJP serving a legal notice to Arvind Kejriwal, asking him to explain his allegations of horse trading by the BJP.